Want to become a corporate trainer in India in 2026? High demand, good money, and respect, but most people have no clear roadmap. Today, I'll give you the exact step-by-step path. What does a corporate trainer do? They design and deliver training programs and communication. In 2026, companies are upskilling. Demand is rising fast. Welcome to Step 1. Let's build the right foundation. A graduation in any field works perfectly. We prefer MBA, psychology, HR, or education. You need strong English and Hindi skills and understand adult. Let's master the core skills. First, public speaking and stage presence. Second, content creation and instructional design. Third, facilitation skills. And fourth, emotional intelligence. Master feedback. You need PowerPoint, Canva, Zoom, and Teams. Practice daily. Record yourself. Improve every single week. Now let us move to Step 3. Here is what is recommended for 2026. Consider, train, or become a certified professional in learning and performance. Gain experience. Start by giving free or low-paid sessions. Try colleges, NGOs, or startups. Conduct webinars and workshops online. You can do this. Intern or assist under an experienced trainer. Curate. Create sample training modules and demo videos. Build a strong LinkedIn profile and personal brand. Step 5. Get your first clients or job. 2 paths. 1. Join a training company or L&D department. 2. Start freelancing. Approach HR and startups. In 2026, hybrid and online training are the normal. Master AI tools and focus on measurable ROI. Build your network on LinkedIn. And never stop learning to stay ahead in 2026. That's your complete roadmap for 2026. Make sure to like, share, and comment trainer below. Make sure to subscribe for more content. Give a thumbs up and share this video. Follow me on social media. Adios!